Good day guys and welcome to the Travel TV. For our episode which is visiting sana sa Calsangi Dolphin Club. So this is the entrance ng Calsangi. That is more or less 3.5 kilometers galing dito papasok dun sa taas, dun sa may paanan ng Mount Matutum. Ang masasabi ko guys is isa itong napakalawak na farm plantation kasi nga dole nga ito eh. This is the largest dole in the Philippines kasi yung isa nandun sa may Bukidnon, di ba? Nandun sa may Cagayan, Bukidnon. So but then this is the largest, so napakalawak nito guys, napakalawak. So siguro kung pwede tayo mapalipad ng drone, para natin yung drone para at least may pakita natin sa ating mga viewer kung gaano kalapad, gaano kaganda yung mga plantation, pineapple plantation dito sa may Pulumulok, South Cotabato. So dito na part, according sa signage, itong kalsada, so which is cemented road na, is papunta na yan sa Cannery. So ito yung papasok doon sa may Calsangi. Off-road siya, but then wala namang lubak kahit mabilis yung takbo mo, but then minimize pa rin kasi may mga warning sign sila which is 50 kph lang yung allowed papasok at saka palabas. So that's it. Okay, good day guys, and we're heading to Dolphin. We will try to visit Dolphin Club Calsangi. So this is the alternate route, and buckle up, and we are heading to the hidden gym in Pulumulok. Okay, and this is the road. Accordingly, hindi daw pwedeng pumasok pagka wala kang kakilala inside, but we will just try kung pwede ba tayong makapasok doon. This is the view. Turn right and then turn left. Grabe guys, kita natin guys kaliwat kanan ng mga pineapple plantation, pineapple farm, and then along the road you can see beautiful trees. Kaya yung mga puno to. Okay. Wow, super. It's beautiful. Road trip pa lang, hindi ka na lugi. Kasi maganda yung daanan, kalsada. Okay. So accordingly, this is the alternate route. So sa dulo may off-road tayong dadaanan, rough road, and accordingly we will just go right, straight. Then sa dulo na naman may simentado, may karatulado. So let's find out. Go go go. Dito guys, yung bang kung siya sandy yung lupa, kaya wala kang makikitang ganong maputik na mga daan, kasi pag umulan man nawawala din kagad yung tubig kasi nga sandy yung lupa. Ito, rough road man siya, off road man siya, pero walang putik, alikabok lang. Malamig dito guys kasi mahangin, yung tamang hangin, hindi naman yung hangin malakas na hangin. Okay, so yung mga naka-plat dyan siguro mga similya siguro. Mainit ba? Mga yes, tama, mga similya nila guys. Ilang ektaryang lupain din yan ang pinagtataniman ng mga similya nila. And then siguro wala tayong idea kung paano yan pinapatubo yung pineapple. Siguro sariling opinion dyan, pinapatubo nila yung mga similya, and then kung ready to plant na, yun, tinatransplant nila doon mismo sa mga area kung saan nila itinatanim. So may sumusunod sa atin guys, yun, tingnan nyo guys. So ayun, ang karga niya is mga seedlings, kita ba? There's another one behind us. I will let him overtake. Yun, kakarga sila guys ng mga pineapple seedlings. Tama bang tawag dyan? Pineapple seedlings. Kulang ko. Buntag. Asa tong kalsangi? Layo pa gyud. Pero pwede ra makasulod dito. Pwede ra makasulod. Sige. Salamat ay. Na naman din simentado. Unsa man na? Okay ra? Sige. Muna me. Salamat. Videos of a beautiful pineapple plantation. Kita guys kasi nasa high ground tayo, tapos later, pabalik, we are going to set our set natin yung sasakyan, i-zero natin para malaman natin kung ilang kilometers para mag-travel papuntang Kalsangi. Ayun, mga nursery na zero nila ito. Nursery. Ayun, may nakikita na akong mga pine trees. Siguro yan na yun.
Change battery.
So as you can see, mayroon silang may Golden Ranch Farm. Ito nakita ko rin ito sa Google Map. And then Kalsangi Cannery. Itong dito straight ahead is Cannery. So we are going to yun, Kalsangi, Kinilis. Focus Kalsangi is dito papasok, which is off-road. Then Kinilis, Kinilis yung pabalik. Kinilis, Balkan. So we're going here. So this is the right way. This is the road. Kitang-kita dito sa left side guys, yung inabot na ng ulap or umabot na sa ulap na Mount Matutum. Titingnan mo siya dito na side, parang medyo may pagka-perfect cone din siya, no? Pagka-perfect cone din siya, oh. Kala mo nakarating na tayo sa Albay, Mount Mayon, no? Sa Albay. Oh, parang ang vibe niya parang nasa Mount Mayon sa Albay. Wavy Road talaga bang dinisign talaga siguro to dito sa mga pineapple farm.
No picking about cutters along the road. What does it mean? No photography, no picking, no parking.
No photography?
Picnic, no.
As in?
No cutters. Caders or cutters? No photography, no picking, no stopping anytime.
Stopping anytime po din.
Okay, so ang ginamin siguro niya dito na bawal mag-stop kaya mag-picture.
Siguro no. Keep right.
No photography, no picking, no parking.
So
mag-follow tayo ng rules.
No photography but videography allowed naman siguro. Videography.
Okay, hindi man mag-stop.
Siguro, no? Okay lang siguro.
Grabe ka na is
super amazing guys. Kalsangi. Oh, the Kalsangi.
Full stop.
Good morning. Pwede ta ka sulod?
Wala sir, close man.
Close?
Wala sila ikwan.
Uy, maski viewing lang.
Wala lagi ba kwan nila?
Close good?
Oh, close good.
Ayay.
Na,
Sayang
mga
nga.
residensya lang, pero
Residensya na.
wala pa yung tao dito sa Davao. Sa Davao, wala.
Dito lang unta mga gano lang.
Wala lagi.
Pero dili ta pwede ka kuan kung bit pwede ta ka drone dili po.
Dili po.
Di gyapon pwede. Di gyapon pwede.
Gani ka na picture, gani, bawal.
Bawal gyud.
Kung naka-sponsor, may coordinate niya sa sulod, ikuan man nila.
Pine trees na lang ay i-admire namin.
Hindi natin nagawang pumasok kasi nga accordingly sa mga staff doon na nakausap natin is hindi basta-basta pumasok as long na mayroon kang kakilala doon sa loob. Makaka-coordinate ka doon bago ka pupasok. So yun. So as of this time, pabalik na tayo dun sa main road, National Highway, and we're heading to Cotabato City. So yun.
While we were in Polomalok, heading to Cotabato City, we spotted this place that instantly caught our attention and made us crave bizcocho, our all-time favorite. So we decided to stop and see for ourselves, and we were surprised by what we found. The spot is called Bake Barn, which is located in Miranda Compound, Poblacion, Polomalok, South Cotabato. They offer a variety of bizcocho, cakes, and pastries that everyone will surely love. you'll feel comfortable too, thanks to their accommodating staff who are always ready to assist. The store is organized, clean, and such a lovable place.
Hi. Hi.
It also has a spot where you can eat and relax, perfect for travelers like us. For travelers going to Cotabato from Jensan and vice versa, a stopover at Bake Barn is a must to try their delicious foods and explore their variety of pasalubong.
Okay guys, we are going to try this cinnamon bread from Bake Barn. Its price is 45 pesos. Ano masasabi niyo sa kinain yung tinapay ng Bake Barn?
Delicious.
Specialty nila dito guys is biskotso. Aside from biskotso, marami rin naman mga specialty.
Okay, now we will try the cheese cake. It costs 25 pesos only.
The staff are very accommodating. If you are traveling from General Santos City to either Coronadal, Tacurong, Tabato, na kung saan dadaan ka sa Pulumulok, it is a must to stop over and try their different special baked bread. Lahat masarap.
Nasamot na ni kaning mag-bake mamon na lami kay na.
Napagkasa.
Pero nakatilaw ko ana sa pocket. Toasted bang bake mamon.
Okay.
Toasted bake. Toasted.
So, ikpan natin. Pakita daw ang biskotso. We bought biskotso at 165. Medyo malaki siya. And then, ano yan? Toasted mamon.
So, what are you waiting for? Go, go, go!